Whether you're a student just starting out in your career, or a professional looking to grow, there are steps you can take to achieve career growth. The first step is to identify your strengths and interests. Take an aptitude test or speak with a career counselor to determine what you're good at and what interests you. The next step is to gain experience and knowledge. Consider internships, part-time jobs, or volunteer work to gain experience. Take online courses or attend workshops and conferences to gain knowledge. Shot of the student building their resume, while the professional is updating their LinkedIn profile. It's important to build a strong resume and online presence. Practice interviewing skills and network with colleagues in your field. Finally, be open to opportunities and willing to take risks. The student and professional are now both happy and successful in their careers. With these steps, you can achieve career growth and find success in your chosen field. Career growth is a vital aspect of professional life. It's not just about climbing the corporate ladder or landing a dream job. It's about gaining new experiences, learning new skills, and ultimately achieving personal and professional success. For students, the journey of career growth begins early on, during their university years. Here are some tips to help them get started. Tip number 1. Start early. Don't wait until your final year to think about your career. Start exploring your options early on and take advantage of any opportunities that come your way. Tip number 2. Seek guidance. Talk to your professors and career advisors. They can provide valuable insights and help you make informed decisions about your career path. Tip number 3. Get involved. Participate in campus events and organizations. They provide great networking opportunities and can help you build your resume. For professionals, the journey of career growth is ongoing. Here are some tips to help you advance in your career. Tip number 1. Continue learning. Attend workshops, seminars, and conferences. They offer opportunities to gain new knowledge and skills that can help you advance in your career. Tip number 2. Build your network. Connect with colleagues, mentors, and other professionals in your industry. They can provide support, advice, and even job opportunities. Tip number 3. Take on challenges. Don't be afraid to take on new responsibilities and challenges. It shows your willingness to learn and grow and can lead to new opportunities. Career growth is a journey that requires time, effort, and dedication. By following these tips, both students and professionals can achieve their goals and reach their full potential.